Are you looking for the best air fryer reviews for a large capacity appliance? If your answer is a yes, you are in the right place. Today I will give comprehensive reviews to show you what product you should get to prepare tasty and adequate dishes using an air fryer. There are many products available to choose a large capacity air fryer, each with specific characteristics, benefits, and prices. To assist you make a knowledgeable decision, I did substantial research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a listing of the best large capacity air fryer from reliable brands. After an awful lot of research, I located these merchandise an awful lot beneficial for human beings like you. If you desire to know about the price and different information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cosori 5.8 Quart Max XL Air Fryer. The first product I need to introduce is this Cosori Air Fryer, a very high-rated appliance at a very good price. With its 5.8 quart square basket, it surely maximizes the cooking space to accommodate larger food quantities so you can feed on 3 to 5 people in your family. If you are concerned about the safety of using it, as this wonderful product is made from safe materials free from PFOA and BPA, they will ensure the best safe food. Key features: 13 one-touch functions including 11 preset, preheat, and keep warm. Hot air circulates 360 degrees. Provide the same crispy texture and tasty flavor while reducing 85% oil compared to the regular deep frying method. 5.8 quart detachable basket to feed 3 to 5 people. Moreover, this cookware features 13 cooking programs that only need one touch to process so everyone can use, even your old grandparents. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus 10 Quart Air Fryer. Another digital display device that you can broil, air fry, bake, roast, reheat, rotisserie, and reheat in a breeze is this Instant Vortex Plus. And among many superior air fryers with rotisserie, I prioritize this one. Ideal for large households, good price, and quick cooking, what else can you expect from an air fryer? This item seems the ultimate answer for many people who crave crunchy, healthy, and tender dishes with its even crisp technology. If you want to create many simple air fryer meal preps, side dishes, main courses, etc., count on this one, and you will be stunned by its cooking performance. Key features: 7-in-1 cookware that allows you to roast, broil, air fry, reheat, dehydrate, and rotisserie, easy to see display and convenient one-touch screen, fast preheating time, even for frozen dishes, and this one is perfect for your dinner with a rotisserie as it comes with various support tools like rotisserie basket, fetch tool, spit and forks, and drip pan. Number 3. Cuisinart TOA 60 Full-Sized Air Fryer. The beast in the world of air fryers is here. There are several types of air fryers, but if you need high-quality air fryer toaster oven combos, nothing can beat this Cuisinart TOA 60 since their performances are superb. First, with 18 watt power, they provide a powerful hot air that you can broil, bake, air fry, etc. Your dishes rapidly. It can turn raw meat into a spectacular dish with golden brown color. And as it owns a basic silver color, your kitchen will be more elegant with this air fryer's appearance. Key features: strong 18 watt powers, 7 functions consisting of air fry, broil, toast, convection bake, convection broil, bake, reheat, 60-minute timer, easy control thermostat, include accessories for preparation. You will also get a combo of a baking pan, air fryer rack, basket, and oven rack in one purchase so you can prepare numerous delicacies, from veggies to chicken wings, from bagel to pizza. Number 4. Cosori 32 Quart XL Air Fryer. Let's forget your tiredness by making a pleasant treat with this awesome air fryer toaster oven chosen by many buyers. As a fully equipped appliance with several accessories to cook various food styles, this device is truly a good assistant to improve your meals. Also, the sleek appearance with a stainless steel look definitely makes your kitchen look more luxurious. Another smaller option is the Cosori 26 Quart with 11 cooking programs. But with a 32 quart one, you can fit in a 5-pound chicken or a 13 inches pizza to cook for more people. Key features: big 32 quart space to hold more foods that is good to feed 5 to 7 people. 360 heat circulation from the high-speed convection fan to deliver evenly cooked results and reduce up to 85% of fat. Designed with 3 rack positions so you can cook different dishes at the same time. 12 cooking functions, auto turn off interior light, 5 heat elements for more heating options. So if you are planning to throw a big party, I do not think there is any better solution besides this machine. What's more, you do not even need to care about the washing part because you can put its cooking racks, tray, or baskets in a dishwasher and let the machine take care of them. Go Wise USA 12.7 quart family-sized air fryer. Another extremely convenient gadget that you can find on the market is the Go Wise USA, which is also one of my favorite air fryer dehydrators. Besides its huge capacity, it comes with 10 accessories that ensure your cooking job is done at ease yet with high efficiency. Moreover, the machine's built-in presets are impressive because it can deal with various dishes, from fresh meat to frozen foods like your favorite frozen lasagna. You will get a manual book with a specific timing chart for each food type in one purchase. Key features: 12.7 quart appliance for family-sized meals, consist of 10 cooking accessories for preparing various delicacies, convenient 15 preset programs, come with different colors and a recipe book with 50 ideas, 3-level rack position. If you live in a small house with a tiny kitchen, this item can fit nicely on the counter. But in case you have more space, its bigger version, Go Wise USA 14.7 quarts with 11 accessories and extra preheat and broil functions, might be better for you. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want more facts or if you want to understand product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your lifestyles a good deal easier.